my channel. In this video we are going to make Spider-Man Far From Home mask. For making the mask, first we need make the face shell. So don't worry about the templates, guys. They are given below the description. Go and download them first. Then download Adobe Acrobat Reader and open the PDF using the Acrobat Reader. Now give the print icon at the top of the PDF and select poster. And finally give print option. Now you got the templates printed. Now we have arranged them properly as they given in the PDF. I will show you how to do that. Now take this part and connect this another one using normal tape. They are just temporarily taped because we are going to cut these parts separately, as I am showing you now. So don't skip this part of the video. These are most difficult one. You skip them, definitely you will miss me and get confused. Cut the pieces like I am showing you. You are thinking I am going too fast, just slow them up and watch. Because this video take too much of time. So I am going separate this video into two part.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
pieces into cardboard and cut them again as I am showing here.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number.
Just temporarily tape these pieces and stick them using Fevikwik or any other strong glue.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
Do the same process for other pieces.
Yeah. Everybody knows walls that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down, I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planning on the...
Now stick all pieces together as I am showing you.
Cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
Do the same process for another side also. Now stick all parts together as I am showing you. For sticking them together, please measure them to your head size.